Hello everyone. Before we start, I want to let you know that all of these tips come from technicians at this highly respected appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to get this fixed. When a client comes in with their GE profile not dispensing water or ice, the first thing we always check is the water supply. Some clients tell us, suddenly no water came out, even though the fridge was cold and seemed to work fine. This usually happens when the water line is blocked, frozen, or the valve has an issue. Technicians explain that making sure water reaches the refrigerator is the first step before checking anything else. Next, many clients discover that the water filter is clogged. One person said, "I replaced the filter and it worked like before." That makes a lot of sense. When the filter is full, it blocks water flow and also affects ice production. In the shop, we always recommend replacing the filter according to the manufacturer's schedule to avoid these problems. Sometimes the internal water valve is the culprit. One client mentioned that when we checked it, it wasn't opening properly, so after replacing it, the dispenser worked perfectly again. Technicians explain that these valves control all the water going to the dispenser and ice maker. If they fail, it doesn't matter how cold the fridge is, nothing reaches the water or ice. On the other hand, the dispenser motor or actuator can wear out or get stuck. Some clients said that when they pressed the button, they only heard a click but nothing came out. Technicians point out that the internal mechanism that activates the valve is probably failing, and usually replacing the dispenser motor solves the problem. Finally, in certain cases, the internal tubing can freeze. One client told us that when we checked, the tubes were completely blocked with ice. Technicians explain that this happens when the freezer temperature is too low or after heavy use, and the solution is to defrost the affected area and adjust the temperature so it doesn't happen again.